Captain CPA here at your service, ready to bring in the very last Spirit Month challenge. If you haven't shown your school spirit yet by participating, then get your gear on and let's go! Tech team, tell us some more.
And so yeah, that's why I think cats are better than dogs.
Wow, I had no idea you liked him so much. I think I have a new favorite character.
Nice, Ben. I really like what you said.
Man, now I just can't wait to share all my information about Captain America to CPA.
Ben, what are you talking about?
What? You guys don't know about it?
No, tell us.
Well, for the last event of the CPA Spirit Month, it is Fictional Character Day. So what you need to do is record yourself talking about your favorite character, wearing your favorite character's merch, or...
Let me guess. Dressing up as that character?
Ha! Bingo.
Oh, I remember hearing about that. We'll be posting our videos on Flipgrid, right?
That's right. And they should all be submitted before midnight PST.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna go start filming. Come on, Zero, let's go!
I know just what I'm gonna do. Yes, Pikachu. Name it too.
Now, what to say? Haha, well, for the last event of the CPA Spirit Month, it's Fictional Character Day. So what you need to do is... What was that laugh? Right.
Oh, I remember hearing about that. We'll be posting our videos on Flipgrid, right?
Man, now I just can't wait to share my information about Captain America.
Thank you, Tech team. That was very informative. Now, at the end of this whole thing, on October 24th, do not miss out on the Spirit Rally. Come one, come all, and come in costume. You might even win a prize for your costume. You can dress up in any one of the categories. You can wear your fictional character outfit, you can dress up as a tour guide, or you can come sporting your best mustache, or even just mix them all together and just mess it all up. The one with the best prize will be voted on that night to win a $25 Amazon gift card. Now, we're also going to discover and celebrate the winners of each Spirit Day category. So you do not want to miss this. It's going to be a great event. Join us 5 p.m. Monday, 10/24. Be there or be square, says Captain America. Oh, well, that's thinking a little too high. Captain CPA. This is your last chance to sign up for the Grand Canyon University Open House. This is Monday, October 17th at 5:30 p.m. PST. So that's this Monday. Don't miss out. We are officially 1/4 of the way through the semester. We are in week 9, which is the last week of the first grading period. Your teachers will close out your grades this week and send an email home to your parents. Now, don't worry if those aren't the grades that you would like to earn in the class. You still have another 9 weeks to pull those grades up to their very best. So the middle of January, we'll send another report card home for your semester grades. Now, those go on your permanent record. The progress reports that we'll send out next week are just that. They're just telling us the progress that you've made thus far, so your parents have an idea of how you're doing. Don't forget, week 9 also means the very end of the daily discussion forum, first quarter. So once you've reached Friday and you're at the end, you'll be looking for a new daily discussion board on your dashboard on Monday morning. Now, this one will still be here. So that might be a little confusing. So let me show you how to filter what's on your dashboard so you only see the classes that you need. If your dashboard of your CPA site gets a little too cluttered and you have too many things on there that just add confusion, you can filter what you see on your dashboard. Simply go to these three little dots and star the course. Do that with all the classes that you want to do. You can see a star shows up right away. And then once you get done starring the courses that you want to remain, you go to this filter, click the down arrow, and select starred. And those are the only courses that you'll see. So when you refresh your page, just your starred courses will remain. That way you can hide things like DDs or daily discussion forums that have been discontinued and they don't have to continue to show up. Second semester, it really helps because you can hide all of your courses from first semester and not get confused with your second semester courses. But I'll show you that again when we get there. Okay, hope that helps. Okay, CPA students, you have a fantastic spirit-filled week.